Here's your basic 355 window mechanism. So we've got the switches removed here. You can see the runners over here. Have the external door scoop from the car removed. Runners. You can see all this chain linkage here, I guess it is. I don't know what you would call it. All the mechanism that moves up the windows. The motor, connector here for the motor, 2-pin connector, and have the ignition on the car. We can just test this with a voltmeter. Just plug our voltmeter in. Okay, you can see the voltmeter plugged in. 12 volts. I quickly just flick the window. You can see we're getting a signal coming through to all the way down to the motor. Okay, let's plug that back in over here. So again, when I move the motor, you'll see all of this mechanism. Winding. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grease up these runners. They've probably not been greased for the last 15 years, and just keep testing this, because basically what I'm getting is an intermittent problem where my motor is or the window is not winding up. So I'm just going to clean up all the contacts. As you can see at the moment, it's working fine. Clean up all the contacts, just grease it all up a bit, and we'll hopefully see if it improves the problem. So let's just come and zoom out to show you where we are on the car. So the driver's side, sorry about the light, it's a bit bright today. 355 door. Okay, so access to that motor. You can see from the inside, have the door card off. Really, there's not much you can do here with this. Some other toys. Okay, can't really get to it here. You see, you've got all the coverings, you've got a metal framework, so much easier. And it's probably 1, 2, 3, 5 or 6 screws. You can get the door air screw